What if humans had the immunity of bats and the gut of vultures? Have you ever thought about it? A vulture feasts on the rotting flesh of the dead, bones snapping under its beak, soaked in decay and pathogens. And yet, it walks away untouched, healthy, immune. And what about bats? These winged mammals carry the world's deadliest viruses: Ebola, Nipah, Marburg, even SARS, and somehow never fall ill. How is this possible? What secrets lie in their bodies, in their genes, in their guts? And here's the real question. If humans could borrow their powers, could we make ourselves immune to pandemics, cure digestion disorders, survive diseases that threaten the future of our species? Let's find out. Vultures, lords of decay. Vultures don't just eat meat. They consume death itself, putrid, decomposing flesh crawling with dangerous bacteria like Clostridium perfringens, Salmonella, and E. coli. Their digestive system is nature's toxic waste disposal unit. Their stomach acid is extreme, a pH close to 1.0. That's more acidic than battery acid. Most microbes simply dissolve in it. But it's not just the acid doing the job. Vultures host a rare group of bacteria that work with their body, not against it. Clostridium species help them digest bone and cartilage. They break down tough proteins and produce fatty acids that fuel their energy needs. Fusobacterium species ferment amino acids and help neutralize toxins from decaying meat, turning deadly compounds into manageable waste. This is a low-diversity microbiome, but highly specialized, like a surgical strike team for digestion. Compare this to humans. Our gut pH is higher, between 2.0 and 3.5. Our diet is balanced: fruits, plants, grains, meats, and our gut microbes are diverse, not specialized for extreme environments. If you tried to eat a rotting carcass like a vulture, you wouldn't gain powers. You'd get food poisoning. But here's the exciting part. What if we could borrow some of those microbes? Could we create a vulture-inspired probiotic? Clostridium butyricum already exists in some human probiotics. It's used in Asia to promote gut health and reduce inflammation. But what about Fusobacterium? In vultures, it's helpful. In humans, it's suspicious. It's been linked to periodontal disease and colorectal cancer. That's the catch. A microbe that helps one animal might harm another, depending on its immune system, pH, and existing gut flora. So instead of transplanting vulture microbes directly, scientists are thinking smarter. What if we extract their enzymes? Or engineer safe probiotics that copy what these bacteria do without the risks? A custom blend that boosts protein digestion, supports gut lining, and even helps neutralize toxins. The idea isn't fantasy, it's already being studied. But now let's take a darker turn, from the stomach to the skies. BATS-VIRALSUPERCARRIERS bats are mysterious, ancient, and strangely invincible. They carry some of the deadliest viruses known to man, but don't get sick. Why? It starts with their immune system. In humans, the immune system is like a fire alarm. When a virus enters, we sound the alarm. Fever, inflammation, immune cells rushing to the scene. But sometimes the fire becomes a wildfire. That's what happened with COVID. Cytokine storms caused more damage than the virus itself. Bats do things differently. Their immune genes, especially interferon genes, are always on. Their cells live in a constant state of antiviral readiness, shutting down viruses early. And yet, they've tuned down genes like NLRP3, which in humans trigger massive inflammation. In bats, the immune system is balanced, always alert, never overreacting. It's a truce with the virus, not a war. What if humans had bat immunity? Imagine if we could introduce those genes into humans. Genes that keep the immune system calm, focused, and precise. Could we create humans who resist viral outbreaks, who don't suffer from autoimmune disease or chronic inflammation? Could we live longer, healthier lives by borrowing immunity from bats? With tools like CRISPR, mRNA, and gene therapy, We're getting closer, but it's not simple. Constant interferon expression could cause fatigue or immune exhaustion. Suppressed inflammation might delay healing or increase cancer risk. The immune system is a tightrope. Too much or too little can both be deadly. But maybe, with precision, we can walk that line. Future of human bioengineering. So here we are, standing at the edge of nature's most incredible secrets. What if we build a probiotic that mimics the vulture's microbiome? What if we rewrite immune code using bat genes? These aren't science fiction ideas anymore. They're under research right now. We don't know all the answers. But what we do know is this: nature has already solved problems we're still struggling with: immunity, digestion, disease resistance. It's up to us whether we learn from it or ignore it. Outro and call to action. So what do you think? Could vultures and bats hold the key to curing disease? Would you take a genetically engineered probiotic? Should we tweak our immune systems to mimic flying mammals? The science is still unfolding. The door is open. And maybe, just maybe, the future of medicine won't be written in labs. It'll be borrowed from the sky and the boneyard. If this made you think, subscribe for more deep dives into the wild side of science, and tell us in the comments, what part of nature do you think we should borrow next?